Hey, everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into web development, one of the most in-demand skills in the tech world. If you're thinking about getting started or you're already on the journey, this episode will give you some solid advice on how to succeed as a web developer. So, let's jump in. 1. Choose your path: front-end, back-end, or full stack. The first decision you'll need to make is whether you want to focus on front-end development, back-end development, or become a full-stack developer. Frontend is all about creating the user-facing part of the website, the layout, design, and interactivity using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Backend deals with the server side, working with databases, authentication, and ensuring the app runs smoothly behind the scenes. Full stack means doing both. If you love the idea of building the entire application from the ground up, full stack might be your path. 2. Learn the basics. Once you choose your path, you'll need to learn the basics. For frontend, start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For backend, look into Node.js, Python, or PHP, and learn how databases like MySQL or MongoDB work. Don't rush, focus on mastering these core skills before moving on to more complex frameworks. 3. Use frameworks and libraries. Frameworks are like shortcuts that make your development faster and more efficient. On the front end, popular ones include React, Vue, or Angular. For backend, you've got options like Express, Node.js, Django, Python, or Laravel, PHP. Once you're comfortable with the basics, learning a framework can help you build projects much quicker and more efficiently. 4. Practice with real projects. The best way to learn is by doing. Start building small projects, a personal website, a blog, or even a simple e-commerce store. It doesn't have to be perfect. These projects will help you understand how everything works together and will give you something to showcase in your portfolio. 5. Join the developer community. There's a huge community of web developers online, from GitHub to Stack Overflow to Reddit. Joining these communities can be a great way to learn, ask for help, and stay updated with the latest trends. Don't be afraid to share your work and get feedback, it's all part of the learning process. 6. Build a strong portfolio. Once you have a few projects under your belt, it's time to put together a portfolio. This will be key in landing your first job or freelance gig. Make sure your portfolio is clean, highlights your best work, and includes a bit of background on each project you've worked on. 7. Never stop learning. Web development is constantly evolving. New frameworks, languages, and tools are always emerging, so it's important to stay updated and keep learning. Make time to continue developing your skills, whether through online courses, tutorials, or simply experimenting with new technologies.